So hello everyone, my name is Vinay Kumar and today I am going to tell you about Indian culture and Western culture. So firstly we should be knowing about the culture. So what is culture? Culture consists certain things like dressing sense, living standard and custom, rituals like etc. And firstly we are talking about nudity. What is nudity? Nudity is that like any girl is wearing short clothes in Western culture, so this is normal. People are never reminded that girl. But in Indian culture you are wearing short clothes. The people make some type of fun and sometimes they are using abusing language to you. And second is prostitution. If any girl living with if any girl living in a relationship with boy in Western culture, so this is normal here there. But in Indian culture you are living with relationship with any boy, so this is the people make big thing that like they tell to you we are not living in नहीं सर क्या कहेंगे इसको सोसाइटी में रहने नहीं देंगे.
They will not let you live in the
They will
society.
not let you live in society.
Or they will not allow you.
Yes, they will not allow to you living in their society. So third is kissing and smooching. Kissing and smooching is normal in Western culture. They are doing kiss and smooching everywhere in front of his parents also. But in Indian culture you are doing kissing and smooching. The people are talking about to you somewhere कि that type this girl is very bad. They are kissing to the boy in the front of me. And fifth is cleanliness. Cleanliness is that in Western culture the cleanliness is good, like, because the people are thinking about his country. They treated his country like his home. And in India the people are throw the garbage in the road. They never think about his country. They think like
There is a there that they never think about
his country,
isn't there?
their country. And they live too happy in dirtiness. And kids of separate in 18 age. In Western culture the children are dependent on his because his parents are allowed to live after 18. They are separated after age of 18. In India the people are dependent on his parents after age 22 to 35. And appointment, the parents in Western culture the parents take appointment to you कि at that time I meet to you live at the home. In India the people are never asked to you कि I am coming. They suddenly coming to you, come with you, come to you. And like example, if I went to Delhi because of my studies and my parents never think that कि I am go to my coaching, they suddenly come to my home. In the 8th point is gynecologist. Gynecologist is like the doctor of personal problem of women. In Western culture the woman never reminded that she is going to the male doctor for personal problem. They never think like that. But in India the girl parents are secure for his daughter, for his मतलब girl female lady. Yes, they are not going to the male doctor. If the doctor is so far in like 2 kilometers, they never go there. They go 50 kilometers for female doctor. After that smoking and drinking is very common there. They doing smoking and drinking with his parents. But in India if you are doing smoking and drinking in front of your parents, they beat you very badly. And strict law and fast decision. In Western culture the people take very fast decision, because if they are not taking decision, so what is the difference between Indian culture and Western culture? And law are very strict there. Like any thief are stole anything, the people are taking very strict. Policeman is also taking very strict law. And in India the people take very low and slowly decision. And strict law is not very important. मतलब the traffic policeman is not giving importance to the laws in India, and taxes is so high in both countries, both cultures, because in Western culture the people are happy to pay the taxes because the government gives some type of good facilities to them and protection to them. But in India the people are cut off to the pay tax. They don't pay tax because of the government not give proper facility to them. That's why. So this is all about my Indian culture and Western culture.